15 lakh rupees can open the door to incredible business opportunities. Today, we reveal 20 top business ideas to get you started. Ready to transform your investment into success? Number 20. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, organic, ready-to-cook Maize products business focuses on producing mixes for making traditional dishes like makki ki roti, mixes for pancakes, waffles, or other quick breads, products such as maize chips, corn puffs, popcorn, cornbread mixes, and gluten-free pasta and noodles. The yearly profit rate in this business is 53%. The market demand is high. If you are from Bihar, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Maharashtra, do consider this business. With number 19, with 15 lakh rupees of investment, Italian Cuisine Restaurant business is about offering authentic and extensive menus of Italian dishes like pizza, pasta, lasagna, etc., focusing on regional specialities. The yearly profit rate in this business is 45%. The market demand is very high. If you are in major city areas with diverse populations and high culinary standards, this business will succeed due to the increasing appreciation for authentic global cuisines. Number 18. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Premium Deli business is about operating a deli that offers high quality meats, cheeses, and other delicacies, including a dining area. The yearly profit rate in this business is 55%. The market demand is high. If you are in healthy neighborhoods or business districts, this business will do well due to the high demand for premium ready-to-eat food options. Number 17. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, fast food franchise business involves buying into a fast food franchisee that serves burgers, hot dogs, and other classic fast food items. The yearly profit rate in this business is 53%. The market demand is very high. If you are in high traffic areas such as schools, offices, shopping centers, this business will grow due to the universal appeal and the quick service of fast food. Number 16. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, specialty tea manufacturing business is about producing specialty teas such as herbal blends, organic teas, or wellness-focused infusions. The yearly profit rate in this business is 66%. The market demand is high. If you are in regions with high preference for organic and health products or in upscale markets, this business will be successful due to the growing trend towards health and wellness. Number 15. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Millet cookies and bars production business is about producing millet-based cookies and energy bars, targeting health-conscious consumers. The yearly profit rate in this business is 68%. The market demand is high. If you are in urban areas or places with a fitness culture, this business will make a good business due to the rising awareness about healthy eating and gluten-free products. Number 14. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, tea-based beauty products business is about developing a line of beauty products that leverage the antioxidant properties of tea. The yearly profit rate in this business is 65%. The market demand is very high. If you are in urban regions with a high concentration of beauty salons and health spas, this business will succeed due to the innovative use of tea in beauty treatments and the growing trend towards natural beauty products. Number 13. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, full-service beauty salon and spa business is about combining a beauty salon with complete spa services for a complete beauty care experience, including aromatherapy and holistic services. The yearly profit rate in this business is 65%. The market demand is very high. If you are in upscale urban areas or luxury hotels, this business will make a good business due to the high demand for luxury wellness and beauty treatments. Number 12. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Confectionery Products business focuses on producing confectioneries such as gummy candies, lollipops, and hard candies. The yearly profit rate in this business is 90%. The market demand is high. If you are in regions with a good number of 3 to 19-year-old children, this business is bound to succeed. Number 11. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Groundnut Chikki Production business is about setting up a production line for making Groundnut Chikki a popular sweet snack. The yearly profit rate in this business is 90%. The market demand is high. If you are in areas with a strong tradition of snack consumption or near tourist locations, this business will grow due to the popularity of Groundnut Chikki as a traditional Indian snack. Number 10. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, chocolate coated snacks production business involves producing chocolate coated nuts, fruits and snacks. The yearly profit rate in this business is 83%. The market demand is very high. If you are in major city areas or where gourmet snacks are in demand, this business will be successful due to the growing consumer preference for indulgent and premium snack options. Number 9. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Artisanal coffee shop and roastery business is about crafting a unique coffee experience with an on-site roastery and a cozy cafe setting. The yearly profit rate in this business is 78%. The market demand is very high. If you are in hip urban areas or neighborhoods popular with millennials, this business will grow due to the growing interest in artisanal coffee and the cultural shift towards coffee expertise. Number 8. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, luxury beauty salon business is about offering premium beauty services including advanced skincare treatments and exotic massage therapies. The yearly profit rate in this business is 78%. The market demand is very high. If you are in wealthy neighborhoods or commercial centers with high foot traffic, this business will do well due to the premium services catering to a premium clientele. Number 7. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, Murmura puffed rice production business is about establishing a production line for Murmura used commonly in snack mixes and traditional sweets. The yearly profit rate in this business is 135%. The market demand is high. If you are in regions where light snacks are popular or near markets selling raw materials, this business will grow due to the staple nature of puffed rice in Indian diets. Number 6. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, coffee flavored milk production business is about establishing a production line for coffee flavored milk, leveraging the popularity of coffee infused beverages. The yearly profit rate in this beer business is 90%. The market demand is very high. If you are in urban centers or near colleges and corporate parks, this business will grow due to the high demand for convenient and trendy beverage options. Number 5. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, specialty juice bar and cafe business is about setting up a cafe that offers a range of sweetened drinks, fruit juices and healthy snacks. The yearly profit rate in this business is 90%. The market demand is very high. If you are in health conscious communities or high traffic urban areas, this business will succeed due to the growing trend towards health and wellness. Number 4. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, professional makeup and hair studio business is about offering high-end makeup and hairstyling services for weddings, fashion shoots and other events. The yearly profit rate in this business is 83%. The market demand is very high. If you are in major cities with a vibrant wedding and entertainment industry, this business will make a good business due to the constant demand for professional styling services. Number 3. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, coffee scrub production business is about creating a line of coffee-based skincare products such as coffee scrubs, targeting the wellness and beauty market. The yearly profit rate in this business is 98%. The market demand is very high. If you are in urban areas with boutique stores or in regions with a strong online shopping culture, this business will grow due to the popularity of natural skincare products and the unique benefits of coffee in beauty treatments. Number 2. With 15 lakh rupees of investment, mid-premium range yoga studio business is about offering a variety of yoga classes catering to different levels from beginners to intermediate practitioners. The studio features quality mats, props, a calming ambience and essential amenities such as changing rooms and a small health product store. The yearly profit rate in this business is 120%. The market demand is very high. If you are in urban areas near middle to upper middle class residential neighborhoods or in commercial complexes This business will make a good business due to the increasing demand for wellness and fitness services among a broader population group. Locations near educational institutions and corporate offices are also ideal as they attract students and professionals seeking convenient and affordable wellness options. Number 1, with 15 lakh rupees of investment, Chakna variety snack manufacturing business is about starting production of a variety of snacks like bhujia, potato chips, and french fries. The yearly profit rate in this business is 165%. The market demand is very high. If you are in any major Indian city, town, this business will make a good business due to the universal appeal of snacks and the growing trend of on-the-go eating. So, friends, the highest profit and the highest demand businesses which can be set up with 15 lakh rupees of investment are as follows. Organic ready-to-cook maize products at number 20. Italian Cuisine Restaurant at number 19. Premium Deli at number 18. Fast food franchisee at number 17. Specialty tea manufacturing at number 16. Millet cookies and bars production at number 15. Tea-based beauty products at number 14. Full service beauty salon and spa at number 13. Confectionery products at number 12. Groundnut Chikki Patti production at number 11. Chocolate coated snacks production at number 10. Artisanal coffee shop and roastery at number 9. Luxury beauty salon at number 8. Murmura puffed rice production at number 7. Coffee flavored milk production at number 6. Specialty juice bar and cafe at number 5. Professional makeup and hair studio at number 4. Coffee scrub production at number 3. Mid premium range yoga studio at number 2. Chakna variety snack manufacturing at number 1. That's it for our 15 lakh rupees business ideas. Next, we will explore opportunities with 20 lakh rupees. Don't miss out. Subscribe and stay tuned. The future of your business starts here. All the best.